So I got the iRobot little vacuum cleaner thing. I didn't think it was gonna work. I thought it was gonna get hung up on all our hair and not pick up anything else, but a neighbor of mine says it's really handy just for cleaning up like after breakfast and lunch and dinner. And it's gonna eat the baby. What? He got out of there. That's good. It doesn't like to go over the rugs though, so I had to take all the rugs out. So I think we'll keep it and set a schedule to turn it on after I leave to take the girls to school, and then again after dinner. That might be kind of handy, helpful. You think it's a good idea, bro? Yeah, I think so too.
I think so too. Yeah, I do. I do.